This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the AMC naked shorters are realizing that all retail investors and institutions are doing is to just keep buying the dip. It seems like retail investors, when they get paid Friday or every other Friday, they seem to be putting a little bit of that extra cash into AMC because they believe that AMC is undervalued, and they believe eventually those bad actors, those criminals naked shorting the stock, are going to have to cover. This has gone beyond just making money. It's about sending a statement that we are sick and tired of the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm just telling you, based on everything I'm seeing, this goes beyond making money off the play. This is to send a statement to Wall Street, to the DOJ, to the FBI, to the SEC, that we're sick and tired of the corruption, and we want them to do their job and protect retail investors, protect pension funds, and protect institutions that follow the rules. Anyway, here are the AMC numbers, but you know these numbers mean absolutely nothing because they do what they want, when they want, with no real consequences. They're claiming 6,769,877 shares were traded. Out of that, almost half of them, 47.9%, was shorted shares. So about half the shares that are being shorted, half of the volume rather, is shorted shares. So that means people are not selling their AMC shares. People are buying more AMC. And then the bad actors, in order to manipulate the price, got to create more counterfeit shorts to push into the market and manipulate the price. The evidence is right there in front of everybody's faces, but yet the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI are practicing willful blindness because, as I said in the previous video, they are more concerned with protecting the system than protecting the fraud, and then not protecting the fraud and corruption, enforcing the fraud and corruption, and protecting retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. It is absolutely crazy. So these guys found 3,300,000 AMC shares to short into the market and manipulate the price, yet nobody wants to ask where they're getting these shares from. It's absolutely crazy. They would not allow this type of trading activity in a stock that the 1%ers were long in. There would be a joint task force investigation. When I tell you guys that the evidence of the fraud and corruption in the play is overwhelming, and then our CEO is silent, look at NWBO, look at MULN, look at MMTLP. They filed lawsuits to protect their shareholders. Adam Aaron gives forward sales agreements to Goldman Sachs so they can make $67 million that would have easily went in AMC's pocket. Okay? What is going on with AMC is the biggest financial crime in the history of the market. No doubt about that in my mind. And once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm just telling you AMC is a big Ponzi scheme run by criminals, and the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI are fully aware of it. And the short exempt, 7,570, just further evidence of counterfeit shares, in my opinion. And they're claiming they can cover all their AMC short positions in 7.88 trading days. If they could have got out their play in under 8 trading days, they would have exited and been happy to exit the play. But they can't exit. They created billions, probably trillions of counterfeit AMC shares. and retail investors refuse to sell. So all they can do is keep kicking the can down the road, hoping for some type of miracle to save them. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI have the responsibility to ask these bad actors where these millions of shares are coming from every single day? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.